Are you looking for affordable and easy DIY projects for your Christmas decor this year? Well, if you are in luck and you have stumbled on the right video, because today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable candle holders using things that I found at the Dollar Tree. And these projects will definitely bring you some holiday cheer.
It all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh, baby.
To get started, we're going to make some birch candle holders. So I have this birch-like ribbon. It says that it's floral ribbon, and I found it at the Dollar Tree. And all I'm going to do is put this ribbon around a votive holder that I also got at the Dollar Tree. Now this ribbon is so pretty, and I actually made some birch logs using this, but this project is so easy. You just cut off a piece of the ribbon and wrap it around the votive holder. And then you just secure the ribbon in place using some hot glue. Simple and easy and so pretty. And this is the finished votive holder. Isn't that adorable? And it was super easy to make. And you can get a flameless candle from the Dollar Tree to put inside of your new candle holder. All right, this one is easy and fun. We're going to use some tumbling tower blocks and some wood glue that's made by Super Glue from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do first is just put a little bit of glue on 4 of these tumbling tower blocks. Now you can find these at the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 72, I believe. So you get a lot of blocks in one package. But I'm just going to glue 4 of these blocks together. And then I added some blocks on the end, and my main part wasn't long enough, so I just added in enough of the tumbling tower blocks to make it so that those 2 ends on the side will fit with it. That way you don't have to cut anything with a saw. You can just position these blocks so that they will make, basically, it almost looks like a tile that we're making. And to make this, I ended up using 14 of the tumbling tower blocks. And look, it's already setting up. This glue works great. And next I took a couple of larger blocks and I glued them to the bottom side, or what's going to be the bottom side. So this is going to be to hold either a candlestick or a votive holder, or you can use it for whatever you like. But this is a really pretty, like, small tray that I made using these tumbling tower blocks. I did add a little bit more wood glue to the bottom just to give this a little bit of added strength. And once the glue was all dry, then I took some folk art wax and I painted that onto my little table. I made sure to do the top as well as the underside of the tray. And once I had it all coated with the wax, then I removed the excess wax just using a rag. And then I took some of this greenery, this pine greenery. It's very bendable. And I basically made 2 wreaths. So I made 1 circle and then I looped around another section of this material and I made another wreath. And I basically just wrapped it around itself again. So it's like I have 2 wreaths that are connected together. And by wrapping a little bit of the material around itself, it makes it look fuller and it really does look like a little wreath. And then I had these bows, so I took the bows and I wanted this to look like a wreath that's on top of this little table. So I just secured the bows using some hot glue to one side. Isn't that cute? And that fits perfectly around a votive holder. Just like that. And this is the finished project. How easy was that? And look at how pretty this is. Super simple to make using things that I got from the Dollar Tree. And next we're going to make a bigger candle holder. So these are from the Dollar Tree too, and you get 2 of these containers, but they're a little bit flexible. So I did want to put something in the bottom to make it a little sturdier. So I had this flower, I think it is, from another project that never happened. So I just secured that with some hot glue to the underside of the lid. And I also had these candlesticks that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just took a couple of these and I put some of that wood glue in between. And a little bit of hot glue because I want it to have that instant stick. And then I secured the 2 pieces together. And then I attached the candle holders to the bottom of the lid with that flower. And next I took some Dollar Tree paint and I painted the entire thing black. And once I painted the underside, then I went ahead and painted the top of the table as well. And then I decided I wanted this to be a little bit taller. So I had these different things from the Dollar Tree and I was just playing around to see what it would look like. And no, I didn't really like that one, but I really do like that. That's pretty. So then I just secured that little cup to the bottom of my table or candle holder, because that's what this is going to be. And it gives it a little bit bigger surface on the bottom, so it's a little more stable. And then I took some Heirloom Traditions black chalk paint and I went ahead and painted the entire thing again. The Dollar Tree paint didn't seem to really stick very well, so I know that this Heirloom Traditions chalk paint will work really well. So I painted the inside of that little cup, and then I went ahead and painted the rest of my candle holder. Now, once that was dry, I decided I wanted to give this that rustic, rusty look. I am loving that rustic, rusty look on a lot of the different decor pieces that I'm making for Christmas this year. It just really looks rustic, and I just really like that look. So I just blended some different acrylic paints and painted the entire surface of my candle holder. I did the top, I did the bottom, and then I moved on to the top. Now, it is important, if you are going to be doing this, you do really need to make sure that this paint stays wet for the next part. That is so important. And then I take the cinnamon and I just sprinkle that all over the candlestick. This is what really makes it look old and rusty. And here are my rusty, rustic candle holders. Oh, I think they turned out so nice. I really like them, and I really like those wreaths too. And there you have it, a whole bunch of very easy, quick, and affordable decor pieces that you can make for your Christmas decorating this year. These were so easy to make, and they are so pretty.